Here we have tickets to a performance that costs $33 to take 3 adults and 1 child. Same performance would be $26 if you take 2 adults and 2 children. They want us to determine the price of a child's ticket and then the price of an adult's ticket. They ask you to go through this step by step, first of all defining 2 variables. So let's say, with the variable, I'm going to declare a label as well. Let's say A equals cost for an adult, and then C equals cost for a child. You don't just want to put A equals adult and C equals child, because that could imply like the number of adults or the number of children. So be specific about what your variable represents. That's why that space is there on every single problem on this worksheet. Then it asks you to write 2 equations. Well, based on the first sentence, $33, back up. $33 comes from taking 3 adults, each paying $8, plus 1 child. I'll put 1C just to be clear about it. The 1 child costs C dollars. And then $26 will bring you 2 adults and 2 children. Then it asks you to solve the system. Now, I don't care if you use elimination, I don't care if you use substitution, but you should do something and show the work. Guess and check's great, but I'm looking for the work that you did. So if you did it in your head, then write it down on paper. For this thing, it's probably, I don't know, it'd be super easy to do either one, I think. I'm going to do elimination. I'm going to multiply everything in the top equation by -2, and that'll cancel out the C variable. So I get -66 is -6A minus 2C. That's multiplying everything in the top equation by -2. And then I don't even need to change anything in the second equation. I can just add down the columns. This is -40. This is -4A. And then the C's get eliminated. So that tells me that A equals 10. So it's $10 to bring an adult. Well, if I plug that back into really any of these previous equations, I could say 33 equals 3A is now 3 times 10 plus 1C. So 33 equals 30 plus C, so C must be 3. I'm going to include a label with that. So A, adult ticket, would be $10. I don't need to rewrite the word adult because I've defined it up above. If you've written A equals cost for an adult, then your answer would suffice to say A equals whatever. And then C would be $3. That is actually answering the question.